Hello guys, so in this video we are going to learn how to do the PAN card correction. Means if you file the TDS return fourth quarter or any quarter and you found that the PAN card was a user which is an incorrect one. Now how to correct that through the trace portal, that we are going to learn. And also there is an announcement about our new course 7 days challenge about PF and ESI and taxation community. So kindly watch for more detail. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel also. Fine. So the first step is we have to go to the default. I hope you aware how to log in into the trace portal as a detector. Then just go to the request for correction and make sure you should have the DSC. Yeah. Select the financial year and which quarter you want to rectify. For example, fourth quarter. If so already we submitted the request, but I am just showing the step how to do that one. Select this one and click on submit. So once you submit, it will be show you, means if you click here, so already I submitted, so that's why it's not processing. But once you click on submit, it will ask you for DSC, and DSC if you shown, then it will submit successfully. Then go to the track correction status, click on view. Now here you can see actually the one PAN card which we use for whole year, it's the incorrect one, so we are doing the correction that only. Now for example, second quarter we submitted, the status will come immediately, so you have to select this one. And again DSC, if you have DSC you can go with DSC. If you don't have DSC, then you have to select this normal. You have to click on process, and you have to give the receipt number, challan data, that all data you have to do. But if you have DSC, then it will be very useful. Select this one and click on valid one. So once you click on valid, it will ask you the password, DSC password. So simply type that password, and this is the app which we are using. It's a Zorki app, which is a very useful. It is a free of cost only. You can download that also. And if you want to know how to do that one, you can comment below, and I will make my video. Fine. So type of correction, simply drop down, and we have to do the PAN card correction. Select this one, and in some cases you will not found this PAN card correction. You will find only challan correction, late fee, and add challan. Why? Because in profile you still not validated your DSC. Due to that reason you can't see. Yeah. So our case we can see. Click on view. Now invalid, there is no invalid one. We given the PAN card correct one, but instead of giving Mr. A, I use Mr. B. So that is the interchange only we have to do. So click on validate PAN card, and below you can see all the for second quarter for whom we file the return, all those PAN card will reflect. Just we have to select which one you want to edit. Select that one and give the new PAN card. So let me do that one also. Okay, so this is the PAN card which we want to do the correction. So you can see the actual one, and what you want to change, that PAN card you can give here, and the name of the PAN card automatically. Once you give the PAN card, automatically it will change. And if you want to see, because here all 3 months in second quarter 3 months return we file, no? So 3 months data will be there. So if you want to see which one it's correct, you can click on view challan, and below also challan detail will be pop up. So like that you can do that one. Yeah. So once you've done this one, likewise we will do entire for 3 months also, and once it's done we can submit it. So let me change the other cases also and update. Yeah, all the 3 months we done the PAN card correction. Now simply click on submit correction statements. So once you click on submit correction statements, here you can see PAN card and change detail. So once you click here view all data also, you can see what are the correction you done. So in your case you can check it out that also. Yeah. So simply click on confirm. So once you click confirm, next confirmation give it, and here you can select the actual final one. So 26Q second quarter this, and click on view statement, and again the same PAN card and submission you can see here, and simply click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, finally again you have to give the OTP, DSC OTP. So simply type this and click on OK. Yeah. So once I done, here you can see successfully done submission. Yeah. So this is the process, guys. And if you are a accountant or tax consultant and you are interested to learn about the PF and ESI, then we have introduced the 7 days challenge, which cost you only 599. So what are the things we are going to cover? All the data is available here. You can watch that one, and if you are interested, you can register that one. Similarly, we have a tax community where daily updates we are sharing related to taxation and labor law, and monthly once we will share the magazine also, and this cost you per day 165 per day 1 rupee, which means yearly 365 rupees. So if you don't want to miss any update related to taxation and labor law, kindly join this community also. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel also, and whatever the new thing you want to learn, kindly comment below the in comment section. We will make the next video related to that one. Thank you guys. Bye.